How to join and interact with Facebook groups using Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will be teaching you on how to join and interact with Facebook groups using Facebook Lite. So now let's get started. First of all, start by launching the Facebook Lite application on your device. Now tap the search icon. Now enter the name of the group you wish to join. In the search results, select the Groups tab to view group option. Now choose the group you want to join and tap Join Group. While joining a group, some groups may require admin approval, so wait for confirmation. Visit the groups page. If you want to post anything in the group, tap on Write Something option. You can write anything you wish and post it. To comment on any post, select a post and then go to the comment section and comment on it. If you wish to like a post, click on the thumbs up button or tap and hold the thumbs up button and react to the post. You can also share the posts, and to share any post, tap on the arrow kind of option and then tap share. So that's it. This is how to join and interact with Facebook groups using Facebook Lite. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.